अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Hello. Anyone? Can you hear me? Takshal Jan.
Yes.
Hello Takshal.
जी सर।
बेटा कैसी तबीयत है अब आपकी?
सर पहले से बेहतर है।
पक्की बात है?
जी सर पहले से बेहतर है, लेकिन अभी उठा नहीं जाता, लेटी हूँ।
आपको हुआ क्या है?
सर मैंने ने एक सिरप पिया था, पल्मोनॉल, उसने मेरी पूरी बॉडी में इन्फेक्शन कर दिया।
एमिनोल के
तो उसके
एनमन?
पल्मोनॉल।
पेल्मनॉल। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, नहीं अल्लाह आपको सेहत दे। या खुदकुशी करने की नाकाम कोशिश तो नहीं की?
नहीं सर,
पक्की
मेरे से
बात
तो
है ना, मतलब के
पिया था।
बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स के कोर्सों से तंग आकर कि नहीं ये बहुत मुश्किल है?
नहीं नहीं सर, ऐसी बात नहीं है।
अच्छा, मतलब पक्की बात है ना? और भी कोई
जी
बात
सर।
कुछ खुदकुशी वाली?
नहीं सर, बस यही किया था।
अच्छा, मतलब चलें अल्लाह।
बस थोड़ा 2 चम्मच पिए थे, लेकिन उसने इन्फेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा कर दिया।
ये 2 चम्मच में इतनी ताकत है, पूरी बोतल आपने चटक ली होती तो क्या होता?
सर वो तो खांसी का है। हाँ, हो रही थी ना, तो मैंने पिया तो उसने।
वो रिएक्ट कर जाता है ना बेटा कुछ लोगों को, इसलिए पर्सनलाइज मेडिसिन का कंसेप्ट जो है वो आजकल बहुत चल रहा है कि हर इंसान की बॉडी के हिसाब से, जीनोम के हिसाब से उसको मेडिसिन दी जाए। एनी हाउ, इट्स अ लॉन्ग डिस्कशन। सो हाउ वाज बासित? बासित, कैन यू हियर मी? जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो नहीं करेगा उसे क्लास में से रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा। सो एवरीवन शुड हैव टू follow the instructions. Basit. ये क्या दरवाजा नॉक किया आपने? आ जाएं आप अंदर, तशरीफ लाएं क्लास की और बोलें कुछ। जोनाथन जावेद। जोनाथन जावेद इज प्रेजेंट हियर और नॉट?
सर नहीं, वो प्रेजेंट नहीं है अभी तक।
ओके, नगीन फातिमा बेटा, हम इंशाल्लाह ताला लेक्चर शुरू कर रहे हैं और आप काइंडली
जी
ये जो 12 स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनकी अटेंडेंस लगा लें।
ठीक
और
है सर।
जब क्लास ख़त्म हो और ये 12 स्टूडेंट अगर मौजूद हों तो इनकी अटेंडेंस आपने वेरीफाई कर देनी है। जो इनमें से गायब हो जाए और जो मोर देन
ठीक है सर।
सपोज करें 50% से ज़्यादा टाइम क्लास में नहीं गुजारता, उसकी भी आपने एब्सेंट लगा देनी और आपने मुझे
ठीक है
भेज
सर।
देनी। ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच। सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अवर लेक्चर। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, इन द नेम ऑफ अल्लाह द मोस्ट मर्सीफुल एंड द मोस्ट बेनिफिसेंट। काउंटलेस salutation on Nabi Pak Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. We wish and pray to God for to be protected from this COVID-19 and be safe. Alhamdulillah. So beta screen nazar aa rahi hai first of all?
जी
Anyone?
सर, आ रही है अंदर।
Okay, very good. So last time हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, अच्छा यानी लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस कर रहे थे। एवरीवन प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्स। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज रेज योर हैंड। Nagin Fatma, if there is any technical problem from my side regarding voice or screen, please let me know. Thank you so much. So last time we were discussing about genomics and phylogenetic analysis, phylogenes, and the divergence of different species and organisms. So this was in actual to try to understand what is happening in past and how to evaluate or how to analyze the adoption of evolution from different organisms. So last time we studied till here as I remember. Nagin Fatma, please बेटा बताइएगा, यहीं तक पढ़ा था हमने?
जी सर।
Oh, thank you. So now we are moving forward. SDs are non-randomly distributed in human chromosomes. So SDs are segmental distribution. As I remember, it's segmental duplication. Sorry, segmental duplications. So we discussed this in our previous lectures, that what is segmental duplication, how a segment duplicates in a specific chromosome or in other chromosomes and other different regions of the chromosomes. If you guys, anyone wants to share me what is the difference between inter and intra? Anyone, please raise your hand if you want to share or want to discuss what is the difference between inter and intra. Yusuf Jamal.
Astronomical sir, astronomical sir, मैं यूसुफ जमाल है।
जी यूसुफ जमाल, एक तो आप काफी दिनों के बाद आए हैं और दूसरा आप बगैर हाथ उठाए जो है वो बोल रहे हैं। कितनी बार कहा है कि
इंटर इंटर होता है एक ही में और इंटर होता है जो डिफरेंट के दरमियान। सर
Okay, thank you. Anyone else? Everyone, please raise your hand if you want to say something, if you want to ask any questions. Try to follow the instructions. These instructions are not only to follow in these lectures. These instructions are made to make you responsible. Instructions doesn't mean just instructions. Instructions means you have to follow that. Those instructions should always in your mind. There are some instructions, there are some laws on street that you don't have to, you don't need to, you don't have to, you must not to break the rule of red light. So if you are not following the instructions here on a very small segment, so how you can measure or you can follow the instructions at the large panels? It's very bad. You guys should have to follow the instructions. Instructions are for us, for our betterment, to make us good human being, for straight laws, for common laws, for house laws, for class laws or instructions. We should have to follow. If you want to say something, just raise your hand. It's a very simple instruction. You don't need to unmute your mic until you are not allowed to. You don't need to unmute your mic and start talking below the line. So please follow the instructions. Try to come and in the classroom at time. Okay, sometimes there are always some problems. Rules always have exceptions, but not, it doesn't mean you always are in the excuse side. Like many students didn't attend the class yet, but they was in the last activity, they was just shouting, sir, we have that problem, we have that problem. Where are your problems? Do we have Tanavi Shajaz here? Do we have Tanavi Shajaz here today? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tanavi Shajaz. She was always regular in all classes, but in last activity, maybe some issues, she was not here. So if she will give me an excuse, I will endorse her excuse because she was attending all the classes. Not like other students did not attend any class and the activity time, they just are going to show me their excuses. This is not the proper way. Tanavish, why you didn't attend the last class, beta?
सर वो मेरे पैकेज का इशू था तो अब
बेटा आपके पास
वाईफाई से
आज
कनेक्ट
भी
नहीं हो रहा
ऑप्शन
था
है, और अगर आप आज प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जब हो आप मुझे पहले बता दीजिएगा, मैं आपको एक्टिविटी का दोबारा टाइम दूंगा।
श्योर सर, मैं आपको बता दूंगा।
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच।
ठीक सर।
तो दैट्स द प्रॉपर वे। A student always attend the class, but one day he or she has some problem. A student didn't attend the class ever, and at the day of activity or the day of presentation, assignment, quiz, question session, important lecture, he or she has just giving me some excuses of for today. I will not endorse those type of excuses. So please be mature. Teacher doesn't mean to teach you bioinformatics, proteomics, physics, chemistry, molecular biology. Teacher means teaching is not just a job, it's a responsibility. It's a responsibility to guide your students, to push up your learners, your students, your juniors. Teaching means doesn't only means to perform your job or just move away. Teaching means to teach your students how to eat, how to stand, how to talk, how to communicate, how to behave, how to learn, how to research, how to live a good life. That's the basic responsibilities. Please follow the instructions. Yusuf Jamal.
जी सर.
What is the difference between inter and intra?
सर इंटर मीन्स कि जैसे हम मिसाल लेंगे कुछ तो एक ही डिपार्टमेंट या एक ही चीज के दरमियान जो होगा तो वो इंटर होगा. और अगर से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अगर डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज के डिपार्टमेंट होता है कोई चीज तो वो इंट्रा इंट्रा डिपार्टमेंटल होगा.
Okay, thank you. Kansa sir, 80020.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between inter and intra?
सर इंटर बिटवीन टू के दरमियान में जो यूज़ करें उनको हम लोग इंटर यूज़ करते हैं, और इंट्रा इसका मतलब है विदहीन और इनसाइड, यानी जैसे कि एक डिपार्टमेंट का पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी से कनेक्ट है तो उसको हम लोग इंट्रा कहेंगे.
Okay, so if we have a duplication, segmental duplication, Khansa sir, if we have a segmental duplication in chromosome number 1, like there is a patch of 100 base pairs pose in chromosome number 1 and patch from base pair number 9 to 40 just duplicate in the same chromosome, what it is known as, intrachromosomal or interchromosomal?
सर आई थिंक इंटर होगा, सेम
And-
क्रोमोसोम है.
Yes, in the same chromosome.
सर इंटर आई थिंक.
Inter. And if there is chromosome number 1 and then we have chromosome number 2, so a patch of base pairs from chromosome number 1 just duplicated into chromosome number 2, what we will call this, intra or inter? All the students,
Exactly
please focus on the question and please share with me what you understand and what we will call it. Like we have chromosome number 1, there was a segmental duplication from first part of the chromosome in the same chromosome in the last, and then we have a two chromosome number 1 and chromosome number 2. Then we have a segmental duplication from chromosome number 1, a part of chromosome number 1 just duplicated in chromosome number 2. What we call it? How we differentiate these two terms in as intra or inter? Anyone, please raise your hand. जी बेटा सबा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
सर क्रोमोसोम में है तो इंटर डुप्लीकेशन है,
जी.
अगर दो डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम्स में है डुप्लीकेशन तो वो इंटर है.
Very good. Anyone else? Very good, Saba. Okay, so we was just discussing about segmental duplication. Chromosome number 2 and 8 low. So the segmental duplication don't have any specific distribution. It is non-random. Sometimes a big patch or a big chunk of chromosome from one chromosome to duplicate in second chromosome on any other chromosome or in the same chromosome, and sometimes few base pairs. So there is not a specific rule or formula that was being followed for the segmental duplication. So it is non-random, depends on the nature, depends on the environment. Maybe about 50 million years back there was a big chunks, but in 40 million years back there was small chunks. So there was not a specific rule for that. Like chromosome number 2 and chromosome number 8, lowest proportion of duplicated sequences. These two chromosomes have least number of segmental duplication, that is almost 0.7%. However, chromosome number 22 and non-recombining Y chromosome have the greatest portion of segmental duplication, like as chromosome number 2 has almost 7.5% of segmental duplication. However, recombining Y chromosome has 27% of segmental duplication. It's a big chunk, 27%. If there is 100 amino acid in chromosome, 100 base pairs in chromosome number Y chromosome, then you can assume it that 27 is the from that 100, almost 27 base pairs are segmentally duplicated. So it's a big chunk. Overall chromosome number 7, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 22, X and Y are significantly enriched for segmental duplications. So we have, how many chromosomes we have? How many chromosomes we have? Anyone, please raise your hand. An easy question. It's an easy question. From FSC, from Metric, Ali Usman. Usman. For a very easy question, Usman replied very difficultly. So I could not understand what you are saying. Can you please repeat it? Usman. Okay, maybe he lost his signals. Mubin. Mubin Shah. Mubin Shah, please unmute your mic and answer the question.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Humans have
Walaikum salam.
23 pairs of chromosomes.
Okay, 23 pairs of chromosomes. But the question is, how many chromosomes human has?
46.
46. Okay. Aisha Tabassum. Aisha Tabassum. 800.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Yes,
Walaikum
sir.
salam. How many pairs of chromosome human has?
Sir, 23.
Mubin said 46. You are saying 23.
Sir, pair. Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir.
The
Justify,
46.
please. Justify. Mubin said 46. You said 23. Why?
सर मुझे लगा कि सिंगल वुमन का था.
No, you just listen your answer, and I think you was not focused for the question of Mubin Shah. I asked from Mubin how many chromosomes we have. Humans has. He said 46. I
Yes.
asked from you how many pairs of chromosomes human has. You said 23. Why?
Sir, sorry. Sir,
Ji
46.
Sabah. Ji Sabah.
सर अगर पेयर की बात की जाए तो 23
Very
दो
good.
क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं ह्यूमन में एक्स और वाई, और अगर टोटल की बात की
Very good. Ji Mubin.
Yes, sir.
जी बेटा, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे?
I think
It was very simple question.
it's a good answer.
It's a yes.
It's a good answer.
It's a good answer.
23 pairs,
23
total
pairs.
46 chromosome
Total
in
46.
23 pairs, and half of the genetic material came from your mother. So it's
Very good.
totally 46 chromosome in the form of 23 pairs.
Very good. I think we are just discussing general, and you are just specifying me on my mother. So if we will be on general topic,
No,
will be
it's from
more
my
better.
too. It's from my mother and father too. So
Okay, thank you.
it's
Thank you.
yes, sir.
Okay, so we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and in total we have 46 chromosomes. Here we were discussing about segmental duplication. So almost 9 of chromosomes has much more segmental duplication as compared to other chromosomes. Non-random distribution is most obvious within specific regions of chromosomes termed as duplication hub or ancestor regions that have been the target of multiple independent duplications events and seem to have accumulated over time. However, a comparison of chimpanzee and human shows that a new lineage specific segmental duplications preferentially map near shared ancestor duplication. The phenomenon is known as duplication shadowing, that unique regions flanking duplications are almost 10 MB or 10 times as likely to become duplicated as other randomly distributed regions. So in conclusion, or maybe we just summarize the conclusion of this slide is we don't have any specific formula or any specific rule to measure the randomness of duplication, but all the segmental duplications are because of non-random distribution. Yes, Mubin.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
A pair or one partner of a pair of a chromosome is of a chromosome pair is duplicated.
Yeah.
It may lead to increase in the number of chromosome. Is it?
How?
For example, there are two partner of one pair, and one partner is duplicated.
Yes.
So
Mubin,
20 is 3.
first of all, we are discussing history, evolution, not nowadays.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
your question is for nowadays, but we are discussing evolution. About 50,000 years back or 100,000 years back, it was a small size of chromosome, but after duplication, it increases. But now from last maybe 10 million years ago, according to the scientific data or according to the evolutionary analysis, there were no segmental duplication, big amount of segmental duplication. We are discussing history for
So
from
they,
today's
so they,
analysis.
okay, okay. As far as I understand, they got duplicated and duplicated, and they
Yes, yes.
eventually
Now
got
we are on a
23
specific
pairs.
point. Yes, now we are on specific
Okay,
points that you, me, and other human beings in actual.
okay.
In human,
Thank you, sir.
because of this segmental duplication, we usually have different types of changes in chromosome, as we were just discussing with Nubin Shah. That before that, maybe chromosome number 1 has only two specific functions, but after duplication and after segmental duplication and after getting so many new base pairs on chromosome number 1 from other chromosomes or from evolution from any other means, the function of chromosome number 1 will increase. Or sometimes there will be a positive segmental duplications, or sometimes negative. Sometimes these segmental duplication leads to some diseases. Here we will discuss those. First of all, we have William-Boren syndrome, rearrangements that are associated with segmental duplication on chromosome number 7 and Y chromosome have been implicated in WB syndrome, that leads to infertility. Several studies also shown that the highly homologous sequences are predisposed to homologous unequal distribution recombination, which can lead to large scale chromosome rearrangement like duplication, deletions, and possible deletions and translocations. As you guys know that in deletion we just lost some part of just give me a second. Thank you. My apologies. So anyhow, we were discussing about the duplication, deletion, and translocations. As we know that in deletion, some part, some base pair, some chunk, some segment just deleted out. In duplications, a specific part, a specific chunk, some base pair just duplicate. As we are discussing about segmental duplications, that a specific segment just sometimes duplicates. And translocations is the same part moves from one part to another part. In duplication, we have the same part present and position A and position B. However, in translocation, the part A just moves from position A to position B. But when it moves from position A to position B, then it is not present on position A. It will be only on position B. That's translocation. So these events usually leads to positive changes and also to negative changes. Like we have a disease of WB syndrome that just happened because of segmental duplication occur on chromosome number 7 or on Y chromosome. Similarly, increased number of CCL3L1 owing to duplication is associated with a significantly reduction in susceptibility to HIV infection and progression to AIDS. This one also, this duplication also leads to some infection disease like HIV and the acquired immune deficiency syndrome disease. So far, there is no mechanism that can fully explain the frequency, organization, and distribution of these segments in the human genome. The fact that most of the duplicated segments are suppressed throughout the genome as opposed to being organized as tandem arrays argues against unequal crossing over during meiosis as the primary mechanism of dispersal. I hope and I believe that you guys just remember or just reminds the concept of crossing over. Like there were two chromosomes and there was a crossing over, like the leg of one chromosome, chromosome 1 just crossed over with leg of chromosome number 2, and then we have some changing of specific characteristics or traits. So these concepts also involve here in this segmental duplication mechanism. So in this figure we just try to understand that how segmental duplications occur. The wide genome, the genome wide view of intrachromosomal and interchromosomal segment duplication in the human genome. We already discussed about what is the difference between intrachromosomal and interchromosomal segmental duplications. We have Jonathan Javed or Nagin Fatma, anyone?
Sir, no.
What no, you are here.
सर जॉनथन जावेद नहीं है
आप तो हो ना बेटा, एक तो है ना दोनों में से।
जी
तो जीआर बेटा स्पीड ज्यादा तेज तो नहीं है? You guys are understanding or we have to slow down?
सर ठीक है स्पीड।
Okay, thank you. So here just this figure just depicts the chromosome number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in these chromosomes we are just going to study about the segmental duplication that is more than 10 kilobase and more than 95%. Like the blue lines just depicting intrachromosomal segmental duplications, some red lines just depicting interchromosomal segmental duplications, and we also have a yellow bars downside the chromosome that depicts the unique regions of the genome, and by intrachromosomal duplication that is more than 95% of sequence identity. So in chromosome number 1 you can see that so many blue dots, blue lines, it just depicts that this chromosome has so many segmental duplications. There is a part that almost after half of this chromosome there is a part depict in purple color you can see, and there is an A is written here. So this just showed that because of this segmental duplication there is a disease known as Gaucher disease. So same with the chromosome number 2, we have a B there, and also that at the B point there is so many segmental duplication depicting through blue lines, and this showed that there is another disease. Same with the C in chromosome number 4, D in chromosome number 5, and E in chromosome number 6, and chromosome number 7 have F disease, that is Williams-Borden syndrome, that we already discussed in that chromosome number 7 and chromosome and Y chromosome is responsible for this disease because of this segmental duplication. So if you guys are going to analyze it deeply, or you just have to check there, in chromosome number 1 we have so many segmental duplications. However, when there is a disease A, there is more duplication as compared to other regions. Similarly, in chromosome number 2, chromosome number 4 with the C, chromosome number 5 with the D, chromosome number 6 with the E, and chromosome number 7 with the F. So we deduce this conclusion that much segmental duplication from the same chromosome, like we have we have interchromosomal segmental duplication. We can see it in chromosome number 3 and chromosome number 4. There is a small red dots beneath the chromosome. Like similarly in chromosome number 5 and chromosome number 7, chromosome number 4 in last with the C disease, we also have red and blue both the lines. So these just segmental duplication showed us that these are not always positive. They also got some negative points, negative factors and aspects, and leads to different diseases. Similarly, we have in here the same plot we have with chromosome number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Anyone else want to discuss this one, these chromosomes, or understand something and just want to share with me what is happening in chromosome number 9? Anyone? No one? What does it mean? You know, you got nothing. Mubin, please.
Sir, the red line is lengthy, and there is a new yellow color.
Okay. So what you are
what are they?
What you are analyzing in chromosome number 9?
New type of duplication or more duplication?
Yes, there are so many segmental duplication in a specific patch. Okay, did you find some disease G somewhere? In which chromosome?
G. Chromosome number 8.
Yes,
the
in
end.
chromosome number 8. And you also observe it that there is a very small segmental duplication. However, this small duplication also just leads towards the disease. If we will analyze the chromosome number 8, so we have the second patch that has more segmental duplication as compared to G disease portion. But however, this also leads towards the disease. So segmental duplications moves towards so many diseases also. Now you can understand that how these chromosomes just increases the in size and the gene. Okay, now you also have some sketch in your mind that we were discussing in the previous lectures that Fugo, as I remember, maybe Fugo or any fish has 400 mega base pair of million base pair of chromosome. However, human has 3.2 billion base pairs. I asked a question last time. Jonathan or Nagin Fatima, anyone else? Anyone is here?
Yes, sir.
Last time I asked a question that what will be the 5% of human chromosome, right? Human genome, right? Sorry?
सर मैंने लास्ट क्लास ही ली थी वो कल वाली ली थी
Okay, it's fine. Anyone else who were in the last class, in last evolutionary study class? Fatma Noreen.
Yes, sir.
लास्ट टाइम बेटा मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, याद है?
जी.
क्या क्वेश्चन था वो?
ह्यूमन जीनोम का 5% कितना होता है?
कितना होता है बताएं जी.
सर मैंने कैलकुलेट किया था तो मुझे 6.
सॉरी?
क्लियर.
6%?
16 मिलियन.
16 मिलियन. 5% का. अच्छा जी. 1 बिलियन का 5% 5 मिलियन होगा. 2 बिलियन का 5% 10 मिलियन होगा. 3% 3 बिलियन का 5% 15 मिलियन होगा. और 3. Yes, you are right. Almost you are absolutely right. Very good. So बेटा जो क्वेश्चन दिए जाते हैं उनको सॉल्व किया करें और नेक्स्ट क्लास में याद करवाया करें, ताकि अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को नहीं भी उस क्वेश्चन की आंसर फाइंड कर सका तो हम उसको डिस्कस कर सकें. जी, we have so many hands up.
Sir, this
जी
or other species.
Sorry?
And this graph.
This graph is for one chromosome or one genome, that is I think human.
And the disease you have talked about earlier
human disease
in the lecture, they still occur or not?
Occur?
I mean, they commonly found nowadays or not?
Disease doesn't mean that it is happened in everyone. When disease occur? When there is a specific mutation or some problem with the protein or the gene, right? So if there is a problem with the gene or protein, that gene is present in this duplication point. Doesn't mean everyone has this disease. It means that we have this segmental portion that has, if any problem, leads towards the disease. Understand? इसका ये मतलब नहीं है मुबीन शाह कि हर शख्स को डिजीज है. इसका सिर्फ इतना सा मतलब है कि हमें डुप्लीकेशन के बाद जो एक ऐसा इवेंट मिला है, एक ऐसा सेगमेंट मिला है, अगर उसमें कहीं ना उसमें अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो वो डिजीज हो जाएगी. ठीक है, जैसे आपके घर में
और ये
जी बेटा.
और ये सारा कुछ एवोल्यूशन की वजह से हुआ है?
नहीं, एवोल्यूशन की वजह से नहीं हुआ. हमने स्टडी किया तो हमें पता चला कि ये एवोल्यूशन इस तरह हुई है. अब एवोल्यूशन के पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स भी तो हैं ना. ठीक है ना?
यस सर. वो तो
आपके घर में 10 मेहमान आते हैं और 10 के 10 मेहमान बिस्किट लेकर आते हैं. ठीक है जी. तो उनमें से एक मेहमान के जो बिस्किट हैं वो आप बाकी 9 के खा लेते हो, लेकिन जो 10वां है उसके पड़े रहते हैं. 15 के दिन के बाद उनको कीड़ा लग जाता है. तो डजंट मीन कि उसका कसूर था. और वो बाकी 9 को क्यों नहीं लगा? वो भी तो सेम बेकरी से आए थे. ठीक है, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि जिन जिन में यहाँ पे ये सेगमेंट पूरे ह्यूमंस में मौजूद है तो सबको डिजीज होगी. इसका ये मतलब है अगर इस रीजन में कोई चेंज आया तो ये डिजीज होगी, और ये रीजन सेगमेंटल डुप्लीकेशन की वजह से आया। अगर ये सेगमेंट, तो यहाँ पे मैं ये एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट मिल रहा है, हमें बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स भी मिले होंगे जो कि सेगमेंटल डुप्लीकेशन के बाद हुए हैं, और जिसकी वजह से ह्यूमन इज द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिज्म। आपने अगर पिछले लेक्चर्स को
हो सकता
किया
है
तो जी जी
जी
जी बेटा,
हो सकता है के खिलाफ रेजिस्टेंस भी हमें
ऑब्वियसली
उनकी वजह से
तो बहुत कुछ हमें मिला भी है इससे। अगर
काफी
आप देखें तो जो 2400 मिलियन बेस पेयर का एलिफेंट का जीनोम है, लेकिन ह्यूमन का जीनोम 3.2 बिलियन का है, उससे तकरीबन 700 से ज्यादा है। 2400 और 3200 में 700 का फर्क है। तो इसलिए हम देख लें एलिफेंट से कितने छोटे हैं लेकिन कितने अक्लमंद हैं। हमें बहुत से पॉजिटिव, बहुत सी डिफरेंट चीजें, हमारी वो आप कह लें ट्रंक भी नहीं है हमारी, और भी बहुत से पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स और नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स तो होंगे, लेकिन पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स देखें ना, मे बी वही नहीं सेगमेंटल डुप्लीकेशंस की वजह से हो। सो वी डोंट ऑलवेज हैव नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स, वी यूजुअली वी ऑलवेज हैव पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स टू। ओके, anyone has any question,
Okay, sir.
please
Thank
raise
you.
your
Thank you.
hand, and then we will continue in our next lecture as we are running off time from this class. Anyone has any question? Ji Fatma, sorry Nagin Fatma.
सर वो क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दें। फातिमा ने 16 बिलियन बताया, 16 मिलियन बताया।
बेटा 16 मिलियन, 3.2 बिलियन में से 16 बिलियन कैसे निकलेंगे? मिलियन ही निकलेंगे ना, छोटा यूनिट निकलेगा ना काके। अब आपको कि जी मैंने एक बार इसको मुबीन शाह को 3 रुपए उधार दिए, अब ये मुझे 16 रुपए वापस करे, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा ना काके, नीचे को जाएगा यूनिट। We will join in next class. Thank you so much. हाँ जी,
मुश्किल है कि ऐसा कोई दिन आए जब नगीन, मुश्किल है कोई ऐसा दिन आए नगीन को पैसे दे दे।
उसे आपको क्यों पैसे देने हैं शाह साहब? आपका बनता है कि आप क्लास को जो है वो ट्रीट वगैरह दो, आपका पेपर आया है। ठीक है, सी यू इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। थैंक यू सो मच।